Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Rumi from K-pop demon hunters dressed up as Derpy Tiger. So we're gonna get started with the eyes. And we're gonna start on the left-hand side and we're gonna curve this line around, looping that back through and in towards the top. And then we're gonna start on the right-hand side. So we're gonna line this up at the exact same height. And then again, we're gonna curve this all the way around, looping this back in, creating a circle, connecting that in towards the top. On the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for our highlight. And then we're going to move down on a diagonal, replicating that. Now let's move over on the side. We're going to curve this line up. We're going to curve this line out, back in. And then again, moving up, curving this out and through. And then again, from that corner, just curving this around and back down. Now let's color all of this in black. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Now let's move in towards the middle. We're going to draw in a slight curved line for the nose. And now let's draw in the mouth. So right on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. In each corner here, we're going to curve this around and through towards the center. And then we're going to do the same as we come around on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's move up for our eyebrows. We're going to curve this line down towards the center. We're going to do the same on the right. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back up and down. Now from here, we're going to start on the top in the center, leaving quite a big gap. And we're going to close off the top of the head by arching this line down towards the left. And then we're going to start back in the middle, replicating that as we move down and over on the right. Let's close off the center of the hair now. We're going to arch this line around and through. On both sides, we're just going to curve this line across. And then we're going to drop down one more time and replicate that. Now let's close off the shape of the head. So we're going to curve this line around and in past our eyes. And then to close off the cheek, we're just going to curve this line around and through towards the center. Now let's close off our ears. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and through. We're going to do the same on the right. Now on the top, for the detail, we're going to curve this line out. And then moving down, arching this around, and then back in. Let's close off the side of the hair now. So on the top, we're going to arch this line in. We're going to do the same on the right. Let's continue the braid. Underneath our ear, we're going to curve this around and down. We're going to start from the side, curving that back in towards the chin. We're going to do the same thing on the left, curving this around, back down. And then again, bringing this around and through towards the side of the braid. Lastly, we're just going to scoop this around, curving this over and up. And then moving down, we're going to replicate that again for the hair tie. Now let's move down on the left-hand side, curving this in. From this point, we're going to curve this up. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this back out. Now from here, arching this around, back through. Let's close off the rest of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the braid. And then we're going to continue to bring that down and through towards the middle. Now we're going to start on the right-hand side, starting back on this line, curving this around, through, and then connecting that in the center. Let's draw on the neck. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines on both sides. Let's move back up. We're going to close off the rest of the hoodie. So starting in the center, we're going to curve this around and back in on the left-hand side. And then again, we're just going to continue to bring that over and down towards the middle. We're going to start back in the center. On the right-hand side, again, curving this all the way around, over, and then down towards the middle. Let's add in some details now. For the ears, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then starting from the center, again on the right, we're going to curve this around and then back through. Let's move in towards the middle, replicating that shape. We're going to curve this line up and down. We're going to do the same on the left. Now from here on the side, let's curve this line in, back out. Let's step over on the right, replicating that. Let's move down in towards the middle, curving this over and through. And then let's drop down again one more time and just replicate that. Now let's come down and we're going to close off the bottom of the hoodie. So we're going to curve this over on the right. On the side, we're going to curve this around, arching that in. Let's step up. We're going to draw in another curved line, bringing that up. And then as we move across, we're just going to draw in some straight lines, leaving an even amount of space. Let's close off the center now. So we're going to arch this around, back down on the right. Let's come over, closing off the arm on the left-hand side, bringing that down. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this back around and through. Now from here, for the wrist, we're just going to curve this down, and then drawing in a straight line across. And then on the side, curving this in, back out, dropping down. Let's replicate that, curving that in, back out. Let's move down on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this in towards the braid, bringing that back over and through on the side. Let's close off our legs now, leaving a gap from the center. We're going to curve this line down, and then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing that around and then over. Let's start on the top, curving this line across. We're going to do the same thing on the left. We're going to close this off on the bottom now, curving this line around and through. And then we're going to continue to arch this line around and up towards the top. Let's close this off now with another curved line from left to right. Let's move down. We're going to curve this line in, back out. Let's drop down again, replicating that. Now for the toes, we're going to curve this line in towards the center on both sides. And then lastly, let's just close off our tail. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and up. And then on the top, we're going to curve this around and back through towards the side. Now on the top, let's curve this line down, stepping in. Let's replicate that. Let's move over again, curving this line through and stepping across one more time. And then as we move up, just curving that through. And that is it. That's how you draw Rumi dressed as Derpy Tiger. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.